The sun ascends, casting the Mongolian steppe in radiant gold, an endless sea of grass stretching to the horizon. Wild horses surge across the plains, their thundering hooves a symphony of freedom and power. Narration: V.O. Genghis Khan, one of history's most unstoppable conquerors. Narration: V.O. By the time of his death in 1227, he had forged the largest contiguous land empire the world had ever seen. Narration: 5.0. But what if he had lived 10 more years? Inside the war tent, Genghis Khan sits upon a Spartan throne, his presence commanding the assembled generals. Maps unfurl across the table, detailing the vast lands already conquered and the territories yet to be claimed. Genghis Khan's voice resonates with unwavering resolve. The world awaits. Our destiny is to bring it under one law. From the Pacific Ocean to the Caspian Sea, his empire stands as a testament to his ambition and military genius. Though his death looms, many campaigns remain unfinished, leaving a legacy of conquest and unfulfilled ambition. On a vast Eastern European battlefield, Mongol cavalry decimates European knights, a brutal dance of hooves and steel under the unforgiving Sunday. Arrows on the map surge westward, a relentless tide sweeping across Eastern Europe, each representing the unstoppable Mongol forces. The narrator's voice echoes across the carnage, a chilling hypothetical. Had he lived a decade longer, Europe might have faced a storm unlike any before. The map ominously highlights Central Europe, the narrator's words painting a grim picture of potential conquest. With more time, Genghis could have launched full-scale invasions into Central Europe, reaching the heart of Germany, France, perhaps even beyond. Under the blazing sun, Baghdad sprawls, a jewel of the Abbasid Caliphate, its streets teeming with life. Vibrant markets overflow with merchants and customers, a cacophony of bartering and laughter filling the air as the city pulses with energy. In the distance, the ominous echo of approaching hooves begins to reverberate through the crowded streets, a subtle tremor of impending change. The Islamic world too might have felt the force of his ambition years earlier. The narration begins, painting a picture of what could have been. Across the ancient stone of the Great Wall, a futuristic cityscape unfolds, merging history with the unreal. Crimson Mongol banners rise, their shadows stretching across the skyline, eclipsing the golden flags of China. A voice echoes across time, a narrative of conquest and what might have been. In China, his campaigns against the Western Xia and Jin dynasties were left incomplete. The narration booms, hinting at a brutal destiny delayed. A vibrant world map glows, showcasing the vast reach of the Mongol Empire. Mongol banners flutter across continents, symbols of conquest and dominion under the Sunday. Along the Silk Road, caravans laden with precious goods snake through the landscape, a testament to burgeoning trade. With Europe, the Middle East, and all of China under Mongol control, a voice narrates, a single global super empire could have emerged. A split screen dominates, presenting two possible realities in stark contrast. On the left, the advanced Silk Road bursts with life. Bustling trade, cultural fusion, and inventions ignite across the lands. On the right, a chilling empire unfolds. Cities lie in ruins, and its people suffer under the weight of tyrannical rule. The narrator's voice echoes, posing a profound question about the fate of progress. Would such an empire have accelerated the spread of knowledge and technology across continents? Or would it have crushed innovation under military rule and fear? A whirlwind of images assaults the senses, each a fractured glimpse into a world that never was. The Renaissance, a beacon of art and knowledge, flickers and dies, leaving Europe in shadow. The gears of the Industrial Revolution grind to a halt, its promise of progress choked in the cradle. Islamic and Chinese empires rise and fall in strange, unfamiliar patterns, their destinies twisted by unseen hands. A voice echoes through the chaos, a somber reflection on what might have been. Without European independence, the Renaissance may never have flourished. Inside the opulent tent, Genghis Khan's aged face reflects the flickering firelight, his expression solemn as he surveys the distant, burning battlefield. His eyes, filled with the weight of years and battles, reflect the inferno's glow, a silent testament to the cost of conquest. The price of unity is often paid in blood, Genghis Khan's voice echoes, heavy with the burden of leadership and the sacrifices made. The distant roar of the fire mixes with the memories of countless battles, each flame a life extinguished in the name of empire. 10 more years could have given him the chance to fulfill his vision of a world united under Mongol law. A narration whispers, hinting at unfulfilled ambitions. But at what cost? The narration concludes, leaving the question hanging in the smoke-filled air, a haunting reminder of the human toll of his grand design. From the piercing gaze of Genghis Khan, the view dissolves into a panorama of modern city skylines, stretching across continents. Skyscrapers gleam under the sun, monuments to an era Khan never touched. A voice echoes, painting a world altered by fate. History is shaped not only by what happened, but by what could have been. The camera sweeps across the urban landscapes, hinting at the vast empires that could have been. And if Genghis Khan had lived just a decade longer, the entire world might have belonged to him. The narration concludes, leaving a haunting question in the air.